Hi guys, I'm Keshav Malpani. Welcome back to 12 Minutes to CLAT. So a lot of CLAT aspirants would want to start their MHCET preparation now. CLAT results atka hua hai. We can't rely on it as of now. So a lot of you would be planning to start your MHCET preparation now. We have been in a lot of confusion for a very long period of time now. So what are certain things to be done from now on? And is it even possible to clear MHCET 2025? Now I will tell you certain ways, certain questions that you might have, जिसको FAQs हम बोल सकते हैं, frequently asked questions, and we will be discussing whether how to make a plan and whether it's possible to make a plan to clear MHCET this year in such a short span of time. So watch this video till the end, hear me very quickly, and I will be able to explain to you how to go about it. Okay? तो preparation plan कैसे बनाएं? How do we create a preparation plan? Can everything be covered from now on if you have very little understanding? But please always understand that if you have prepared for CLAT, you will not start from zero. You will at least start from 50. तो आपको वो आधा रास्ता कवर करना है because you're already halfway. Okay? उसके अलावा because the exam has gone down to 120 questions and if you are an outside Maharashtra candidate, 100 का एक score है which ideally would be a safe score, it is believed. So how do you get to that 100? Is it even possible? And how to make a schedule for your preparation, because some of you may have your board exams also going on even now. So what are certain things you should do? How to manage all of this? How to manage so much stress around it? How to manage so much anxiety around the CLAT result as well as this particular preparation? I will help you understand all of that in detail. Okay? So let's try to understand. Let's do the strategy first. First, very important things to keep in mind is MHCET is not the kind of exam where you feel that okay, कुछ चीजें छोड़ देते हैं, कुछ कर लेते हैं. This exam has no negative marking. So you can take all sorts of calculated risk because you don't have to leave any question. 120 minutes, 120 questions is a lot of time. It is not like CLAT where the questions are quite lengthy, the passages are quite lengthy. That's not the case with MHCET. It's very, very short. आप within 70 to 80 to maximum 90 minutes में अपना paper भी कर सकते हो. But you get 120 minutes, you get enough time to think about certain questions and make the best choice. Eliminate all the options and make the best option your choice, right? तो वो आपके पास possibility रहेगी. Since it's an online exam, it's not an OMR based exam, you can always change your responses also. ये भी एक फायदा है यहाँ पे, right? So time management will not be a problem at all while doing the exam. That is not something that we will work on a lot. So what are certain things we need to work on? We need to work on our concepts. We need to work on our preparation strategy in the sense that how do we practice more? That is very important. ठीक है? And 6 to 8 hours a day is, I believe, would be required if you want to start from scratch now. वैसे तो 3 to 4 hours में भी हो सकता है, बट आइडियली हम लोग क्या करते हैं, 3 to 4 hours हम फिर वो सोच के चलते हैं, फिर उससे 2 घंटा कम देते हैं. तो कोशिश करना कि एटलीस्ट 5 hours का एक शेड्यूल स्टार्टिंग से बना पाओ. अगर आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम्स अभी चल रहे हैं तो यू कैन ब्रिंग दैट डाउन टू 3 to 4 hours also. And once your board exams are over, you're able to follow this 6 and 8 hours का schedule, which will cover your subjects concept wise as well and practice wise too. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पर the point here is we have to be accurate and efficient with our preparation, with our practice. We don't have to leave questions. We just have to be very sure of what we are doing. One plus of this particular exam is that generally the paper is on an easier side. But in a country like India, where the paper is on the easier side, the exam cutoff goes really, really high, and that is why we have to do almost all the questions correctly, right? Moving forward with the strategy now. ये strategy मैं पहले भी एक बार discuss कर चुका हूँ. I had discussed a strategy where मैंने discuss किया था कि आपके पास 2 months बचे हैं तो उसमें आप कैसे preparation करो. The strategy to some extent will remain same. Pick up 2 subjects a day. ठीक है, कोई भी 2 subject. Let's say you picked up English and legal for today, plus do bit of GK today and static GK as well. ठीक है, जीके टुडे हम लोग एग्जाम से 10 महीने पहले की कवर करेंगे. सो 3.5 months फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर ईयर एंड अबाउट 6.5 to 7 months फॉर द लास्ट ईयर. योर क्लैट प्रेपरेशन का जीके वुड सर्टेनली हेल्प यू अ लॉट. सो इफ यू हैव सर्टेन नोट्स मेड, यू कैन गो थ्रू देम क्विकली एज वेल. यू कैन ऑलवेज यूज 12 minutes to CLAT के फ्री कंपेंडियम फ्रॉम आवर वेबसाइट और द ऐप. तो वो आपको काफी हेल्प करेगा. 12minutes2CLAT.com पे जाओगे, आपको साइड में आइकन दिख जाएगा अलग से सीए कंपेंडियम का, वो यूज कर सकते हो. उसके अलावा जीके टुडे स्टैटिक जीके इज ऑब्वियसली अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट. रेगुलर क्लासेस भी आप कर सकते हो इफ यू फील that regularity is a problem and certain conceptual understanding is a problem. There are certain subjects which you might understand easily. For example, let's say legal हमने पढ़ा था, पहले तो legal हमें आता है. But what about analytical reasoning? है ना? What about let's say static GK? So these are certain things that you may not have done earlier. So classes would certainly help you there. They will give you the exact pointers you require for the exam, so you don't have to explore too much. मैं किताब उठा के भी पढ़ सकता हूँ, but किताब में exactly क्या पढ़ना है may not be very clear to me, so I may need a mentor for it, right? उसके अलावा mock test and sectional test, guys, there is no shortcut to it. Mock test, sectional test is a compulsory thing you should do. अगर आप अभी स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, start doing 2 mock tests every week. 2 घंटे का एक टाइम फ्रेम निकालो and do it. क्योंकि आपके पास टाइम का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, you can do it in any 2 hours of the day. पहले ऐसा होता था कि हम लोग क्लैट की प्रिपरेशन में 2 से 4 ही क्लैट का मॉक करेंगे, बिकॉज दैट इज द टाइम वी नीड टू बी एट आवर मैक्सिमम कंसंट्रेशन. वी नीड full 2 hours. यहाँ पर कोई भी 2 घंटे निकालो दिन में कभी भी, और आप उसको कर सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. MHCET में देयर इज नॉट टाइम बाउंड, कोई भी 2 घंटे का एक विंडो निकाल सकते हो. ठीक है, कैसे मॉक करना है मैं आपको बताऊंगा, कहां से करना है वो बताऊंगा. Do not do things that are already done for CLAT, ALET or SLAT. So if you're prepared for these exams, if you have done certain things, don't waste your time by repeating something you've already done. For example, if you know the concepts of contract, tort, criminal law, etc., you don't have to do that again. क्यों करना है बार बार? Basic legal knowledge के लिए आप basics कर सकते हो, but don't read all of them again. Don't watch all the classes again. आपको कुछ relevant classes लगती है वही देखो ना. So in respect to classes also, you have to pick and choose. You have to make your choice. है ना? That is how you could say, you'll be able to complete all your syllabus within the required time, right? So that's very important. Always in an exam like this, you would feel कि अभी ये बचा है वो बचा है, and that's very natural. Don't worry about it. है ना? Things will work out in their own pace, and let them work out at their own pace only. क्योंकि आप ज्यादा जल्दी करोगे, things probably would be difficult for you. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पर this is for MHCET 2025. ये हमारा last year का result था. Some of the students who could manage to get 99 परसेंटाइल और अबव. मैं सारी फोटोज यहाँ पर नहीं लाया पाया हूँ आपके लिए बिकॉज ऑफ स्पेस का जो इशू था, है ना. एंड दीज आर, यू कैन ऑल्सो गेट योरसेल्फ एडेड टू द कैटेगरी ऑफ दीज स्टूडेंट्स. दिस इज आवर बैच कॉल्ड प्रगति फॉर MHCET 5-year law. Link for the same is in description of this particular video. You can start preparing with us right away. उसके अलावा अगर आपको सिर्फ टेस्ट सीरीज चाहिए, you can take that also for mock test and sectional test. इसका भी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. You can start right away. You can always visit 12minutestoclat.com. If you want to talk to us, you can contact us on any of these numbers. These people will guide you with respect to everything you need for this particular exam. Batch includes the mock test series, so don't take both of these things. Don't waste your money. अगर आप properly पढ़ना चाहते हो हमसे plus test करना चाहते हो तो take the batch. If you want only the test series, take only the test series, है ना. And these are the numbers. You can use my code Malpani, MALPANI, so that you can take more discounts on a batch as well as the test series. So that's it about this particular session. I will hope to see you in my classes. And even if you don't take the classes, please go for the test series. That's very important, guys. Start working right away. There is no time to waste anymore. There is no time to, you could say, keep yourself confused anymore. Start right away. Any issue, contact us on our numbers, or you can always mention that in the comment box. I'll be very happy to take it from there and answer for you. Keep smiling, keep working hard. Like वो जो anxiousness है उसको थोड़ा side में रखो. For the next 2 months, prepare really hard for this exam, and you never know what good can happen with you with this, right? All the best, guys. I'll see you in my classes.